Hi, welcome to SPJK Technosoft, your one-stop training platform. Hope you are safe and healthy. Robotic process automation is very hot trending technology these days, so SPJK Technosoft is organizing free webinar on RPA, Automation Anywhere on 19th of September 2020, Saturday at 4 p.m. The resource person for this webinar is Mr. Harish, who is having 8 years of experience in IT industry. Following topics will be covered in this webinar. What is RPA? What is Automation Anywhere software? Why Automation Anywhere is in high demand? Career opportunities in robotic process automation. Training programs related to RPA. There is no registration fee for this webinar, and the registration link is provided here in this video description. E-certificate will be provided to the registered participants, those who have submitted the feedback form after the webinar session. Please do subscribe to our channel to get latest technology and pharma-related free videos and webinars. Should you need more information about the RPA certification course, please contact at info@spjktechnosoft.com. Thank you and goodbye.